Welcome, this is Rituparna for channel NE24. On Wednesday morning, newly elected Rajya Sabha MP Kanat Purkast was warmly felicitated at his residence by AGP's Kachar district leaders and workers, led by AGP district president Kabir Ahmed Borabhuiya and secretary Monichan Singh. The delegation honored the newly elected BJP state secretary and MP with a traditional Assamese scarf and a bouquet. Kabir Ahmed Borabhuiya remarked that during every election, AGP received Kanat's support and he has always maintained a fraternal relationship with AGP. He expressed hope that Kanat's election will boost both BJP and AGP politically. In his speech, MP Kanat Purkast sincerely thanked the leaders and workers of both parties, crediting his success to the alliance and public support. He pledged to uphold their trust. Among others present were AGP Youth Leader Meghboob Hussain Lashkar, Bipin Bhattacharya, Rajesh Singh, Sandeep Dev and several more dignitaries. For more news and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page to stay connected with us.
আজকে আমি খুবই আনন্দিত যে আমাদের মিত্রজোটের অসম গণ পরিষদ তাদের এই কাছাড় জেলার যে পুরো কমিটির পদাধিকারী সদস্যরা এখানে এসেছেন আমাকে সংবর্ধিত করার জন্য। আমি তাদের কাছে কৃতজ্ঞ। আর তাদের কাছে একটাই আমার আশা থাকবে যে দায়িত্ব যেহেতু বেড়েছে, স্বাভাবিকভাবে সবার সহযোগিতা যাতে আমার সাথে থাকে।